Imagine handing your phone over to a repair technician and everything inside of it, your photos, your WhatsApp chats, and your private files are visible to them. Scary, right? But do you know that your Android phone has a hidden feature that protects your data while it's being repaired? It is called repair mode. And today, I will show you how to turn it on and why you should never send your phone over for repair without activating it. But before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who needs to see it. Let's dive in. Repair mode is a privacy feature built into many Android phones. When you activate repair mode, your phone temporarily hides all your personal data, including photos, apps, messages, and files. The technician can still test your phone to fix hardware issues like screen problem, battery issues, charging problem, camera faults, but they cannot see your personal information. Once the repair is done, you simply exit repair mode and everything returns exactly the way it was. You might be wondering why this feature is so important. Well, when you give someone your phone for repair, they technically have access to everything on your device. That includes your personal photos, videos, WhatsApp conversations, email accounts, banking apps, social media accounts, and unfortunately, there have been many cases where people's private information was copied and misused during repairs. Repair mode completely solves this problem by backing your personal data away. Think of it like putting your entire phone inside a digital safe before handing it over for repair. Repair mode is currently available on several Android phones, especially newer models. Some phones that support it include Samsung Galaxy phones running One UI 5 or later, Google Pixel phones with newer Android versions, and some other Android brands that have added their own version of repair mode. If your phone is updated to a recent Android version, there is a good chance you already have this feature. Let me show you how to turn on repair mode. Step 1. Open your phone's settings. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Battery and Device Care. Step 3. Look for an option called Maintenance Mode or Repair Mode. 4. Tap Turn On. Then confirm with your password, fingerprint, or PIN. 5. Your phone will restart and enter repair mode. When it turns back on, all your personal data will be hidden. When your phone is in repair mode, the technician will only see a clean version of your phone. Your apps, photos, messages, and accounts will not appear. They can test hardware like camera, speakers, touchscreen, charging points, but your private data stays completely protected. Once you get your phone back from the repair shop, exiting repair mode is very easy. Simply open Settings, tap Exit Repair Mode, enter your fingerprint or PIN. Your phone will restart and everything returns exactly the way it was. Before sending your phone for repair, here are some smart safety tips. Always activate repair mode. Remove your SIM and memory card. Back up your important files. Sign out of sensitive apps if possible. These simple steps can save you from serious privacy problems. And that's how you protect your personal data when repairing your Android phone. Repair mode is one of the most important privacy features most people don't even know exists. So, the next time you take your phone for repair, run this simple trick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who might need it. I will see you in the next video.